Hey everyone. So what we're doing here is we're doing the scorpion stretch, but we're going to show you the difference of how we do it with the stick mobility system versus a typical scorpion stretch. This is what you'll typically see people doing when they do a scorpion stretch. They'll be in the prone position, chest down towards the floor. And now Neil's going to bring one leg up in the traditional methodology. And this is what we see happen on way too many occurrences. The chest comes up and it leaves the floor, and that's where you get your range of motion from. The idea of the scorpion stretch is to open up that anterior sling. But if you're allowing your anchor points to leave the ground, just like a rubber band principle, we can't really stretch this if we don't give it an anchor point. So same thing when we're using the scorpion stretch. We want to make sure that we have some places anchored down. So Neil's going to grab the stick. He's going to place it under the chest. Arms are fully extended. And now what's going to happen is when he goes to do the same exact move, he's going to bring his right leg up. He's going to reach across his body. As he does that, he is reflexively going to start to pull apart on that stick. And look at the difference. Range of motion there, a much truer understanding of what the range of motion is. Do you see how that chest and that shoulder stay much closer to the ground? Now, he's going to hold that. Now he's going to turn his head to see where his back foot is. So he's going to turn to the left. Turn your head to the left. And as he does that, he's actually going to hit more of that spiral line through the neck. Make sure you're breathing. Don't hold your breath during this. Again, so then he's going to bring his head back to the right, and then he's going to release the stretch. So let the stick reflexively engage by pulling apart on it. Once the leg comes up and over, it's going to reflexively take place. And now you're getting much more benefit and understanding of what we're after. If you're after a certain tissue line, make sure you're really accessing that tissue line. You can hold that for 6 to 10 seconds or longer if he feels that it's necessary. He can do 3-4 reps of that. Give it a shot. Let us know what you think.